What's up, you guys? Welcome back to I Still Love Car Audio and Car Audio Tech Stuff. I know it's been a minute since I've been around, but I've been busy. We got lives, and although I love car audio, this is not 100% my life. I got other stuff to do. Anyway, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holiday, happy days off, happy time off, happy end of the year. Either way, I am here not to talk your ear off about the holidays, but to do some music demos. So without further ado, let's check this out.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
From everywhere, filling the air. How they come raising their sound, on hill and dale, telling the tales. While people sing songs of cheer, Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. On a song on without end, their joyful tone to everyone. Ha, ha, ha. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Sweet silver bells all seem to say, throw cares away. We will throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing the cheer to young and old, making the ball, bringing cheer. Oh, how they come raising their sound, on hill and dale, telling their tales. While people sing songs of cheer, Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas.
right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that little Christmas caroling type special. That's about it until the end of the year. Happy 2025 to you guys. For everybody who's been rocking with me, I appreciate you guys more than you know. Thank you so very much. And there will be more content for the channel, but of course, the end of the year is not much for me to do, or not much that I want to do. So I will be seeing you guys in 2025. I hope your 2025 is better than your 2024 has been, and I hope it I just hope it keeps getting better and better and better. No setbacks, no downfalls, none of that. I wish everybody a prosperous year, and on to happy listening. And until next time, everybody, please stay tuned.